The roof and that just smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Crown by Des, and as y'all read by the title, we are installing a braided wig. This company sent me this wig. They are based off Amazon. The link to the wig will be down below in the description box, and also all of the products that I used to achieve this look. Make sure you guys continue on watching, like the video, comment any questions or concerns, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see y'all at the end for the final look.
Let go. chill, take it slow. Me and you, all alone. Anything that you want, I know it's gonna be good. But you can't be
Alright, y'all, this is the final look. I like the braided wig. Now, I will say I got it a little far back on my forehead. I don't know what happened, rushing, I guess. But other than that, and that's just my own mistake. But other than that, I like the braided wig. The curls was nice. It was giving bohemian, knotless. You do the little flip over. But yes, I very much do like it. Make sure you guys, if you are interested, like I said, the link to this wig will be down below. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications, y'all. Yes, look at that.